Hi, my name is Vanessa. I work on the websites and I work also with Scott and social media for the Jaftex companies. These are the websites of the Jaftex companies, and I want to talk to you about some of the new features that we have on them. Our companies are A.E. Nathan, Blank Quilting, Free Spirit, Henry Glass Fabrics, Studio E Fabrics. If you are one of our customers, then you use the upper right-hand corner of our websites to log in and log out. I want to share with you that if you go to the My Account settings here in the upper right-hand corner, you can access some of the new features on our site. First of all, go to the Account Settings tab on this page and make sure that your Traverse customer ID is correct. Traverse is our enterprise management system that holds all of our inventory, all of our orders, all of our invoicing. It's the backbone of our company. But we want to make sure that what Traverse has in its system is the same as is on the website. So grab an old invoice and look under the Sold To section, the top left-hand corner of your invoice, and the first line should be your Traverse customer ID. So make sure it is the same as it is here on this page. If it is not, go ahead and change it on the website so that it matches what's on your invoice. What I want to talk to you about today is a new feature we're rolling out called the Account Portal. This Account Portal will give you access to all of your invoice and order history with any of our companies. When you click on Account Portal, you will go to an account overview page. And we've kind of grayed this out, but this is where your account information will be: the name of your shop, your address, your phone number, your Traverse ID, all of that will be here. And you will know what company you're working with because it will say that right there. Also, you can look at this by fiscal year. So if you want to drop down and look at last year, you can just click that drop down box. But this is an overview where you will see your sales, your balances, what you've purchased throughout the year from us each month, the number of invoices, the number of payments. All of it's right here at the first page, which is the account overview page. You'll notice from this page, this is a left-hand menu, that there's a home button. So if you go to the home button, you can also from here select another Jaftex company. No matter what website you log in as, you can access the different companies. So let's go back to the account overview page and continue on. We're going to go next to transactions. On the transactions page, you will see every order that is currently in work in-house. So you can see the date that you made the order, the transaction type, the batch code, and I'll talk to that in a minute, the order number, which is our Traverse order number, the customer PO number, and this number is the order number that was given to you on the website when you placed a website order. Also, if it's a -1 or a -2, that means that this one order had two different shipments. So there's a -1 for its first shipment and -2 for its second shipment. From here, you can click on the detail and see more information. But let me get back to this batch code. Batch codes are an indicator of how your order travels through our system. So different companies or different departments within our company will touch your order and review it. The hashtag batch is where it has been entered and validated into Traverse. And at this point, you can still change an order if you need to. Released means it's been released to the warehouse and no changes can be made. Released and back ordered also means that the order was in back order, but it's now been released to the warehouse. And back order means it's waiting for goods. So you can kind of see the status of any orders that you have in-house and see what's happening to them. If you click on detail on the invoice history, you can see all of this additional information that we talked about, but you can see exactly what was on the order. So here's exactly what was ordered, what was on it. Sometimes things were not shipped, so there's a zero quantity. And you can also reprint your invoice. So you can just hit reprint and go back to review your invoices in this manner. Open invoices are bills that have not yet been paid. In the same situation, you can select detail and reprint open invoices as well. So this is the information for the new account portal. If you haven't been set up for this yet, please contact us. My name is Vanessa, and I'm at vanessa@jaftex.com. And Cascade is my counterpart at Free Spirit Fabrics. So if you want to let us know, we can roll this feature out to your site too. Thanks so much for listening.